Good morning, children. I hope all of you have done your previous chapter homework, lesson 1. Now, today we are going to start chapter 2, 4-digit numbers. See, earlier I told you that 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. But if we add 1 in it, it will become 1000. And 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. We are going to talk about 4-digit numbers. And 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Now we will do place values in 4-digit numbers. See, in 4-digit number, there is one more place, that is of 1000. Earlier we studied in 3-digit numbers 1, 10, 100. Now in 4-digit you will get 1000 also. Now what you will do? You will place the number according to their places. Example 5, 1, 2, 3. So 5 will come at the place of 1000, 1 will come at the place of 100, 2 will come at the place of 10 and 3 at 1. And to find out the place value, we will multiply the number with its place. So the place values are 5000, 123. So the place value of 5 is 5000, 1 is 100, 2 is 20 and 3 is 3. And when you add all this, it will become 5123 or 5123. Another example 4106. Now place these numbers according to their places. 6 at 1, 0 at 10, 100 at 1 and 4 at 1000. So their place value will be 6 will be 6, 0 will be 0, 1 at the 100th place, so it will be 100 and 4 will be 4000. So their place value will be 4000. In this way we can find out what is the place value of the digits, and also we can mention it in expanded form also. Children, now we will do expanded form in 4 digits. See, in 4 digits, the number will be having thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Here with an example we can understand that where I have placed the number, I have written the place value also. In expanded form, we add all the place values. See, 5, 4, 2, 6. The place value of 5 is 5000. The place value of 4 is 400. The place value of 2 is 20. And the place value of 6 is 6. So, I have written in expanded form 5000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 6. Another example you see, in place of 1000 is 6, so its place value is 6000. In place of 100 is 3, its place value will be 300. In place of tens, 1 is there, so its place value will be 10. In place of 1, 4 is there, so it will be 4 the place value. Now you add all the place values, 6000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 4. Now this is written in expanded form. This is called as expanded form. Now we can see further examples of expanded form. 3464. So now 3 is at the place of 1000. So 3000 will be the place value, or we can say 3000 plus 4 at the place of 100. So 400 or 440 will be the place value, plus 6 at the 10th place. So 6 tenths or 60 will be the place value, plus 4 ones. So 4. So we can write 3000 plus 40 plus 60 plus 4. Another example, 6325. Now it can be written as 6000 plus 300 plus 2 tens plus 5 ones, or 6000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. Another example, 2376. 2000 plus 300 plus 7 tens plus 6 ones. Or we can write 3000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 6. Expanded form is nothing but you have to add all the place values together. Now we are going to do short form. Short form is the opposite of expansion. In this, expanded form will be given to you. You have to make it short. How you will make it short? You will add the initial numbers of these numbers. See the examples. First, 3000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 4. Here in 3000 I have taken his initial number 3 at 1000 place. Then 600, 6 will be taken as initial number at 100 place. Then 70, 7 will be taken as the initial number of it in the 10th place. Then 4 at 1st place. So it will become 3, 6, 7, 4. Another example, 6500 plus 40 plus 3. In this, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now these are taken together and it will become 6, 5, 4, 3 in short form. Third example, 8000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 2. In this, the 1000 place will be having 8, 100 place will have 7, 10th place will have 3 and 2 at 1st place. So it will become 8732 in short form. As we know the place values, expansion, short form, so we can do the number names also. See, as in this example first, 1000 place has 2 numbers, 100 has 5, 10 has 3, 1 has 6. Whenever we do the number naming, we separately say 1000 and 100, but tens and ones are said all together. Now you can see with the example, it will be 2536. You have to name their place. Another example, 8309. Now 8 is at the 1000 place, so I will say 8000, and 3 at the 100th place, it will be 300, and there is no 10, so only once is there in which 9 is written, so I will write 9. So 8309. See, as we have understood number names, so we can write in figures also. While writing a figure, first we should always mention their places like 1, 10, 100, 1000. And wherever the number is said, it is said with its place. So you have to mention that number in that place. See the first example, 3853. Now 3000. So we in the place of 1000 I will write 3. 800. So in place of 100 I will write 8. And 53. 53 means 5, 3. So 5 will come at the place of 10 and 3 at the place of 1. So it will become 3853. And we have to separate it by comma. After 1000 and 100 we will put comma as it will mention their places. Now the next example, 6203. Now in this 6000 is said, so I will mention 6 at the place of 1000. 200, so at the place of 100 I will mention 2. And 3, so and 3 means only 3, so it will come to the place of 1. And there is no tens there, so I will put 0 there. So it will become 6203. Another example, 8035. As I said 8000, so I will mention 1000 place 8 and there is no 100, so I will put 0 there. and 35 means 3 5, which I will write in the place of 10 and 1, 3 and 5. Now children, we will count forward and backward. While forward counting we will add it with 1, and while doing backward counting we will subtract it with 1. Now example, you see 1250. Here these are 4-digit numbers, so we are doing counting in 4-digit numbers. Just you add 1, you will get 1251, then 1252, then 1253, then 1254, then 1255. This is what we are doing in forward counting. Simple counting just you do. The similar way you have to do the counting here also. Now another example, 1005. So in place of 1 we change 1006, then 1007, then 1008, then 1009, then 1010. In backward counting you will subtract it with 1. Now 1250 minus 1 will be 1249, then again 1248, then 1247, 1246 and 1245. We are doing subtraction here with 1. Okay, so like this you can do the backward counting in 4-digit numbers also. Same example, 1005. Now we are going backward side, so 1004, 1003, 1002, 1001 and 1000. So in this way we are going backward. Children, now we will do pattern. See, while doing a pattern, first you compare the numbers, that whether it is increasing form or whether it is in decreasing form. In the first question you will find that the numbers are in increasing form. Then what you will do, you will, to find out how much they are increasing, you just minus the second box digit numbers with the first box digit numbers. So you will find the difference of 2, and it is hence in increasing form of 2 only. See, 4002 plus 2 will be 4002. 4002 plus 2 again 4004. Then 4004 plus 2 will be 4006. 4008 plus 2 will be 4010. 4010 plus 2 will be 4012. Again plus 2 will be 4014. So in this way the number is increasing. Next question, 5015, 5020, 5025. Now again the number is in the increasing form. To find out the next pattern, we will just find the difference, how much it is increasing. So you will find that it is increasing by plus 5. So what you will do, you will add the digit with the 5 number. Whatever the answer will come, you will add with 5. Now 5025 plus 5 will be 5030. Again 5 will be 5035. Again 5 is 5040. Again 5, 5045. Again you add with 5, you will get 5050. Again you add it with 5, you will get 5055. In this way you can find the other pattern. Next question, 3506, then 3600, then 3700. So what you find that here the number is increasing in the form of 100. So add 100 with the next digit. So it will become 3800, then 3900. Again you add with 100, you will get 4000. Again you add, you will get 4100. Again you add with 100, you will get 4200. Again you add with 100, you will get the answer 4300. Now children, you will do the worksheet on the basis what I explained you right now. So first question is write in expanded form. This you have to write in expanded form. First 5982, second 4860, third 7015. The second question you have to write in short form of this. 4000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 4. Second question, 1000 plus 20 plus 50 plus 9. Question number 3, here you have to write with the number name. 6415, 2039, 1108. Next question, write in figures. First part, 6048, 8609, 2400. Now the next part of the homework, write the backward counting. 8433, you have to write the backward counting of it, what the number will come before it. Then B part, 4321. Next question, write the forward counting. Here you have to find out the next number that will come after it. 5318 and 4893. Next question is continue the pattern. You have to see the pattern and fill it. 1 1 0 0, 1 2 0 0, 1 3 0 0. B part, 3 5 0 0, 3 6 0 0, 3 7 0 0. Children, now we will do predecessor and successor of 4-digit numbers. See, whenever we have to find out the predecessor, we subtract the number with 1. So we get the number before. Whereas to get the successor, we add the number with 1. So we can understand this by example also. Like I have taken 4-digit number 4867, or you can say 4867. When I minus with 1, I got the answer 4866, which is the predecessor of 4867. And if I add 4867 with 1, I will get 4868, which is the successor of 4867. So I have written 4867. The predecessor of is 4866 and the successor is 4868. The left hand side numbers are predecessor and the right hand side numbers are successor. Now another example, 8100. Now to get the predecessor, I will minus it with 1 and the answer is 8099. And to get the successor, I will add with 1, I will get the answer 8101. Another example, 6346. The predecessor of it will be 6345 and the successor will be 6347. In this way, we can find the predecessor and successor of 4-digit numbers. Now we will do the number between. See children, the easiest form to find the number between is just to find the successor of the first number. So you will easily get the number between the 2 digits, like 999. You just add it with 1, you will get the successor of it, that is 1000. And 1000 is the number between 999 and 1001. Similarly, 4030. Now when you will add it with 1, you will get answer 4031, which is the successor of 4030. And it will act as a number between 4030 and 4032. So just add with number 1 to the first 4-digit number, you will get the answer, and that answer will be the successor of the previous number and also the number between the next number. 4998. You add it with 1, you will get the 4999, which is the number between 4998 and 5000. 6000. 6000 successor is 6001 and it is the number between 6000 and 6002. In this way, you can find the number between. Now we will do comparison and arranging the 4-digit number. To compare numbers, we will always compare it from left to right. If the digits at a place are equal, then compare the digits at the next place on the right. Now let us see example. 9845. I am comparing it with 5865. Then first you will compare the numbers at 1000 place. So here there is a difference. 9 is greater than 5. So we can easily say that 9845 is greater than 5865. 65. Next example, 8317 or 8317, and I am comparing it with 8713. Here the numbers at thousands place are same, that is 8. When they are same, we will compare the next place, that is of hundreds place. Here the numbers are 3 and 7. So we can easily say that 7 is greater than 3. So 8713 is greater than 8317. In this way we can compare the 4-digit numbers, and we can also find out which number is largest and smallest among the group. Children, as we have understood how to do comparison, we will do ascending order and descending order by comparing it. See, ascending order means choosing the smallest digit number to the largest. Okay, now we will understand it by example. The first example, 1100, 890, 2156, 4632, 1248, 3736. In this, 890 is the smallest because it is a 3-digit number. So it will come at first. Then I will compare all other 4-digit numbers, in which at 1000 place there is 1, 2, 4, 1 and 3. In this there are two numbers which is having 1 at 1000 place. So I will compare them by the numbers at their hundreds place. So 1100 will come the next, and 1248 after that. Then 2156, then 3736, then 4632. 4632 is the largest among the group. Another example, 3046, 760, 3067, 3760, 3670, 3676. Among this, if you see, only one number is there, which is 3-digit number, that is 760, and will come at first. Then the rest 4-digit number is starting from 3, that is at their 1000th place is 3. All are equal. So we will go and see and compare their hundreds place. Then we will find that 3046 and 3067 is the smallest, and we will compare them, which is the smallest among them, because the 100 places are also same. Here at 10th place, one is having 4 and the other is having 6. So 4 is the smallest. So we will take the next number, 3046, and then 3067. Then we will see that 3607 and 3676 and compare them. Here again they are having the same number at 100th place, so we will compare their 10th place. The numbers are 0 and 7, in which 0 is smallest, so we will take 3607 next to that, and then 3676 next, and the largest will be 3760 because at 100th place 7 is there. Another example, 2548, 2458, 2854, 2584, 2485, 2845. Now in this group, if you see, all are 4-digit numbers, all are having same number at 1000th place, but at 100th place there are changes. Two numbers are same at 100th place, that is 2548 and 2584. Another two numbers are same at 100th place, 2458 and 2485. Another 2854 and 2845 are same from the 100th place. Now among this, if we compare, 4 is the smallest at 100th place. So we will take 2458 at first and 2485 next to it. Then we will compare the number starting from 5 at 100th place, that is 2548, and then it will be 2584. The next will be 2845, and the last will be 2854, because we have compared their tens places as their hundreds places are same. Now we will follow descending order. Here children, we have to take the largest number at first, then we will move towards the smaller numbers, and at last will come the smallest number. That is means going from the largest number to the smallest number. Descending order is the opposite of ascending order. Now see the example. 5632, 2411, 3288, 2388, 3284, 4365. Among this group, if you see at thousands place, there is 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now in this, 5 is the largest at thousands place. So we will take 5632 at first, after that 4365. There are two numbers who are having 3 at thousands place. So we will compare their hundreds place. Again they are same. So we will see their tens place. Again they are same. So we will compare their ones place. Here we find 8 and 4. So 4 is smaller than 8. So we will write 3288 at first. After that 3284. Then again there are two numbers, 2411 and 2388. So both are having 2 at their thousands place. So we will compare their hundreds place. Because 4 is smaller than 3, so 2411 will come at first, and then at last will be 2388, which is the smallest one. See the other example. 1176, 1716, 1970, 1971, 1167, 1791. In this, all are having 1 at their thousands place. So we will compare their hundreds place. At hundreds place, 1 and 7 and 9 are there. So 9 is the largest, so we will compare the numbers who are having 9 at their hundreds place. So there are two numbers. So we will compare their tens place here. So there is 1 and there is 7. Because 7 is the largest, so we will take 1971 at first, then 1970. After that, we will compare 1791 and 1716. Both are having same numbers at thousands place and the same number at hundreds place. So we will compare their tens place. Here one is having 9 and one is having 1. So 1 will come at is the smaller one and 9 is the larger one. So we will take 1791, after that 1760. Then we will compare 1176 and 1167. As their hundreds places are also same, so we will compare their tens place. So one is having 7 and other is having 6, and 7 is larger than 6, so we will take 1176 at next to the number, and then at last will come 1167, which is the smallest among the group. See the other example also. 5000, 2000, 500, 200, 7000 and 700. Here are 3 digit numbers and 4 digit numbers also. So first we have to compare the 4 digit numbers, because 4 is greater than 3 digit numbers. So we will compare the 4 digit numbers. So at thousands place, 5, 2 and 7 are there. So 7 is the largest, so we will take 7000 at first, and then 5 and then 2. So it will become 7000, 5000, 2000. Then we will compare the numbers of 3 digit numbers. From their hundreds place, we see again there is 5, 2 and 7. As 7 is the largest, so we will take 700 next to 2000. then 500, and at last will come 200, which is the smallest among the group. So in this way we can do the. Now we will make the smallest and the greatest numbers from 4 given digits. Children, whenever you will make the smallest digit number, you will always follow ascending order. And whenever you will make the largest 4-digit number, you will follow descending order. Because smallest digit number will have the least hundreds, thousands and tens. Same way, the largest number will be having the most thousands, hundreds and tens. Now see the example, 5, 3, 4, 1. Among these digits, you will find 1 smallest, then 3, then 4, then 5. So the smallest number will be formed 1345. And the largest digit will be 5431, as we have followed descending order here. So it will become 5431, which is the largest 4-digit number formed by 5341. Another example, 0236. Children, here 0 is the smallest number, but while making smallest 4-digit number, 0 will not come at first, because it will become then 3-digit number. So we will not take 0 at first. We will take 2, then 0, then 3, then 6. So it has become 2036, the smallest 4-digit number made by 0236. And the largest will be 6320, as we have followed descending order. Another example, 7497. See here, there is a repetition of 7 here. While making smallest number, again we will follow ascending order. So 4 will come at first, then 7 and then 7, because there is a repetition. Then at last will be 9. So it has become 4779, the smallest 4-digit number made by 7497. And the largest will be 9774, that is 9770. Now we will do the numbers beyond 9999. See, after 9, whatever the number will come, it will be a 5-digit number. And the smallest 5-digit number is 10000, that is 10,000. And the greatest 5-digit number is 99999. Now how to place them? See, after 1000, one more place will be increased, that is 10,000. So 10,000, 1000, 100, 10 and 1. Now you will make the place in this form. Let us see with examples. Like I have taken 4, 1, 5, 3, 8. But when I will read this number, I will say 41,538. As I will read both the thousands together and then hundreds and then tens and ones all together. So it will become 41,538. Now see the other example, 5, 6, 4, 2, 0. Here 5 is at 10,000 place, 6 at 1000, 4 at 100, 2 at 10 and 0 at 1. So it will be said like this, 56,420. See, I am reading 5, 6 as 56 because we have to read both the thousands together. Another example, 23079. So 2 is placed at the place of 10,000 and 3 at the 1000. So it has become 23,079, as there is no 100 in it. Set all together. You can see Now the next question is, you have to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers. A 6439, B 5072. Next question, you have to rewrite the numbers with commas and their number name. 25150, B 80511. I hope you have understood the chapter and you will do your homework nicely. Thank you.